So the first thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna take the tops off of the chili peppers. I'm gonna put them here because we're gonna cut them up. So these are Hawaiian chili peppers. And we live in California, so we got these at our Asian market. They come off super easy too. So we're gonna get these cut up. We want the seeds. Seeds is the part that is gonna make this. Now to this, we're gonna add some fresh garlic. Now for our chili pepper water, we don't make the garlic minced. We kind of leave it whole. We're gonna add a little bit of Hawaiian salt. About 1/3 cup of white vinegar. Here's our old chili pepper water that we made. So you can see the stuff still inside. It smells potent. So for this one, we got an old hoisin sauce bottle and just cleaned it out. And that's what we're gonna be putting today's sauce in. So to this, you want to add filtered water. I would say about 2 cups, maybe a little more. So about there, because this stuff is going to go in here. I just have to put it in like this because the opening is so small. Perfect. So we got it topped off. And that's it. This will sit for a couple of months. And then it'll turn into this. We let this sit for a couple of months on a windowsill and let the sun do its thing. And we have Hawaiian chili pepper water. Mahalo for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to hit that like button. And for more content like this, hit the subscribe button. And remember, aloha and a good recipe make a great